Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up rental expense tracking in QuickBooks for taxes step by step clearly. To set up rental expense tracking in QuickBooks, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Expenses tab located in the left-hand menu. Click on Vendors to manage any rental-related vendors you may have. If you don't have an existing vendor for your rental property, select New Vendor to add one. Enter all relevant details, including the vendor's name, address, and contact information. Be sure to include a category for the expenses, such as rent or rental property. After saving the new vendor, return to the expense. Click on the New Transaction button, then select Expense from the drop-down. Choose the vendor for your rental from the list in the Payee field. Select the appropriate payment account to track your rental payments. In the Category field, choose the category you previously created for rental expenses. Enter the date of the transaction and the amount paid for rent. You can add any additional details or attachments that may be necessary for your records. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click the Save and Close button to finalize the transaction. To review your rental expenses, navigate back to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Select Expenses by Vendor Summary to see a clear outline of your rental expenses. You can adjust the date range to view specific periods or all-time expenses. For tax purposes, ensure you regularly categorize any other related rental expenses like repairs and maintenance. Continue this process each time you incur rental expenses to maintain accurate records. At the end of the year, use the reports generated to compile your tax documentation. By consistently tracking these expenses, you will simplify tax preparation significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.